And welcome back. Imagine surviving what first appeared to be a serious aviation accident, only to discover days later that the aircraft you escaped from flying will never fly again. That is exactly what happened following the Enugu Air runway excursion at Benin Airport. While every passenger and crew member walked away safely, the aircraft itself has now reached the end of its operational life. Aviation records now show that the jet has been officially declared a total loss, bringing an end to more than 17 years of service. Sahara reporters reported that the Embraer el-rufai, operated by Enugu Air, had been declared a total loss following the runway excursion at Benin Airport on July 23rd. Aircraft records published by planespotters.net indicates that the 17.6-year-old aircraft, registered as 5N ENR with manufacturing serial number 17000274, had been classified as written off, an aviation designation used when an aircraft suffers damage so severe that repairing it is either technically impossible or economically unjustifiable. According to the aircraft records, the Embraer ERJ-170LR sustained catastrophic structural damage after overrunning the runway during landing in poor weather conditions. The impact reportedly forced both landing gears up through the wings before they detached from the fuselage, causing damage considered beyond economic repair. As a result, the aircraft have been permanently withdrawn from commercial services. Despite the severity of the damage, the outcome for everyone on board was remarkably positive. All 63 passengers and 5 crew members safely evacuated the aircraft after it came to a stop beside the runway. No fatalities or injuries were recorded, making the incident a successful emergency evacuation despite the complete loss of the aircraft itself. In aviation, a written-off classification means the aircraft is officially regarded as a total loss. Rather than being repaired and returned to service, such aircraft are permanently retired because restoration would cost more than the aircraft's value, or because the structural damage is too extensive to guarantee future airworthiness. Aircraft in this category are often dismantled for usable spare parts before the remaining structure is scrapped. The Embraer has a lengthy operational history before joining Enugu Air. Built by Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer at San Jose dos Campos, the aircraft first flew under the test registration PTTQA before entering commercial service in March 2009 with EgyptAir Express under the registration SUGDH. Configured with 76 all-economic seats, it served the Egyptian carrier for several years before being transferred to EgyptAir in 2019. The aircraft was later withdrawn from active service and stored in cargo between 2020 and 2025. In February 2025, it was re-registered in Nigeria as 5N ENR and leased to EgyptAir before subsequently joining Enugu Air. It continued operating under EgyptAir on behalf of Enugu Air until March 2026, becoming part of the airline's expanding domestic operations. The runway excursion occurred during heavy rainfall at Benin Airport. Initial reports sparked concerns that the aircraft had crashed, but aviation authorities later clarified that the incident was a runway excursion. This aviation term refers to an aircraft leaving the runway surface during landing or takeoff without necessarily involving a collision or clash. While runway excursion can range from minor incidents to serious accidents, they often require detailed technical investigation to determine contributing factors. Following the incident, the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority confirmed that the aircraft had landed before skidding off the runway due to adverse weather conditions. Videos recorded after the incident showed passengers calmly evacuating the aircraft after it came to rest in a swampy area beside the runway. Emergency procedures were successfully carried out, ensuring everyone exited the aircraft safely. In response to the incident, Enugu Air announced temporarily adjustment to some of its flight schedules while aviation authorities secured the aircraft and began technical assessments. The airline assured passengers that safety remains its highest priority and pledged full cooperation with investigators examining the circumstances surrounding the one-way excursion. Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development Festus Keyamo subsequently directed the relevant aviation agencies to conduct a thorough investigation into the occurrence. Enugu State Governor Peter Mba also confirmed that the Nigerian Safety Investigation Bureau had commenced an independent investigation aimed at establishing exactly what happened during the landing and identifying any factors that contributed to the runway excursion. Governor Mba assured the public that Enugu Air would fully cooperate with investigators throughout the process. He emphasized that the airline remains committed to international aviation safety standards and that passenger safety will always take precedence over commercial considerations. Such investigations typically examine weather conditions, aircraft performance, airport infrastructure, crew actions and operational procedures before reaching final conclusions. Although the Nigerian Safety Investigation Bureau investigations remain ongoing, the aircraft classification as written off officially closes one chapter in its history. After more than 17 years of commercial operations across different airlines and countries, the Embraer ERJ-170LR have reached the end of its flying career. While investigators continue working to determine the precise sequence of events that led to the runway excursion, the incident also serves as a reminder that modern aviation safety is measured not only by protecting aircraft, but most importantly, by ensuring every passenger and crew member returns home safely. In this case, despite the complete loss of the aircraft, that objective was successfully achieved. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this report informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest updates in Nigeria and worldwide. I'm Chimezum Okoro and we'll see you soon.